everyone. So today we're going to be drawing a bleeding paper. So first you do this with a black marker or a pencil. Well, you can't do it as a pencil, a black marker or a Sharpie. I don't know. I don't care. And then after you're done doing that, pick any other color that's a marker, and you can color it. So I'm gonna pick blue for the top, like this. Can they see it? I'm gonna pick blue for the top, like this. And then I'm gonna pick. So you're gonna color in the squares, okay? So almost done with this one. No, not exactly. So at the end, be sure to subscribe to what channel?
Our channel.
Our channel. So if you heard my dad to vote Nomad before, it's just like this, but it's not art. This one's art. You can make it at home if you have all the materials. So I'm just gonna do this first. Then I'm gonna take enough. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna. Now that we colored our boxes, we're gonna take it to the bathroom. Okay, for this one, you need a sink and a spray bottle. So
Your Spider-Man spray bottle?
So we're gonna shoot it. How do you do it?
So you're doing each section? Is that what you're doing?
Uh-huh.
Okay, now what do you do?
Lift it up.
With a sink plate?
Yeah, that's what I do.
Mm-hmm.
You put it over your sink because it got a little bit messy. So then you put it over the sink. It makes beautiful colors. That'll be pretty cool, right?
Mm-hmm. Turn it upside down. Go the other way.
Right.
That's really cool, Bennett. Can't see it.
So
Hold it up.
it will look like this. Now you're done. So
And what do you have to do with your area that you're in a mess?
you get a rag and or a towel.
Be careful.
You get a rag or a towel,
Yeah, put it here.
or you clean it. You get a rag or a towel, or you clean it up. So
So that your mom and daddy are not mad at you?
So subscribe to our channel. See you later.